Now this is what you can see as a sum of the column for the first term of the variance formula. Here it is. And these are the answers we get when we multiply each value of x squared times its associated probability. So these are the values that we will be getting, and these values will give us a sum of 7227.27. Now substituting this value in the formula, we get 7227.27. This is 7225 is the square of 85. Therefore, we get 2.27 as the variance of the sampling distribution. Now, we are moving to drawing of a sample of size 4. So again, we take help from alphabets and we will follow strict dictionary order. So we need to use 4 alphabets at a time. So we start with A, B, C, D, then A, B, C, E, then we have A, B, D, E, then A, C, D, E, and then B, C, D, E. So we end up with 5 samples basically, because when we apply 5C4 formula, that gives us 5 samples. So now considering the numbers again 80, 82, 85, 88, and 90, we can list the samples as 80, 82, 85, and 88 as the first sample, then 80, 82, 85, and 90 as the second sample, then 80, 82, 88, and 90 as the third sample, 80, 85, 88, and 90 as the fourth sample, and 82, 85, 88, and 90 as the last sample. We will now compute the mean values. The mean values would be 80 plus 82 plus 85 plus 90 would give us the sample mean value of 84.25. Then the second sample has the mean value 84, 85.25, 80, 85, 80, 82, 85, and 90. Third sample would give us 85 as the mean value. Just make a correction in the first one. 83.75 is the first sample mean. So change this value. Then it would be 85.75 and then 86.25. will be the mean values of the last two sample. You can check in the meantime. 80, 85, 88, and 90, and then divide this by 4. Yes, 85.75, and the last one is 82 plus 85 plus 88 and plus 90. Yes, 86.75. Now when we tally the frequencies are all 1. The sum is 5. And when we transform it to probabilities, each probability value is 0.2, which is 1 on 5. And the sum is 1. And x bar times p of x bar would give you 83.75 multiplied by 0.2 is 16.75. I am computing this directly as well, because this is simply to multiply this answer of 16.75 to 83.75 again. So that's 1,402.18125. Now second value 84 times 0.2 is 16.8. Then multiply this by 84 would give us the square of this value. Then 85 times 0.2 gives us 17 as the answer, and then multiply this again by 85 would give us 1445. Then 85.75 times 0.2 is 17.15, and then multiply this again by 85.75 would give us 1470.6125. Then the last value 86.25 multiplied by 0.2 gives us 17.25. Then multiply this again by 86.25 would give us 1487.8125. So taking the sum of these two columns, this would give us 85, and this would give us 7225.85. So again, nu of x bar, which is mean of the sample means, is equal to population mean equals to 85, and sigma of x bar squared would be summation x bar squared times p of x bar minus summation x bar times p of x bar whole squared. Substituting the values of the related quantities, we get the answer as 0.85. So sigma of x bar squared is equal to 0.85.